Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video we're going to look at how to find the correct URL to add to LBL Robot to make sure that the reviews get posted to the correct URL, but in particular they do actually get posted, because we're still finding that people cannot put the correct URL into our system, and it's very easy to find the correct URL. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are not logged in to the same Gmail account that you used when you set up your listing. In fact, I always use a different browser. I normally use Google Chrome and Firefox. So open up Internet Explorer, and what you need to do is copy the business name and the address. If I open up Internet Explorer, I'll just pull the window over slightly and add in the business name. As you can see, it's brought up the listings already for this particular business. I'll pull the window over a little bit more so you can see what I'm looking at, and then go through to the actual maps listing itself. So as you can see, I've gone through to exactly the same maps listing. If you need to put the address in when you do the search, then please do that to make sure you go to the correct listing. On the right hand side, you can see the print, link and edit this place. Click on the link icon and you will see the Google Maps URL. If I just copy that out and paste it into this text file, I'm just going to drop it down so you can see the whole link. As you can see, it's a fairly short link to use, and what it's got in this link is the KM Plumber in Leeds. Is basically the search data I put in the search box. You don't need all this. After the place question mark, if you drop it down and then go to the and sign and CID equals 160, that is the URL we can use. We can get rid of all this search data and just pull all that back up. We've now got the correct URL, so it should be place question mark the and sign CID equals, not SID. If it's SID, it means you're still logged in to the user account you used when you actually created the maps listing. So this is why I always go to a different browser and search for the business name and address to find the correct URL. Now, this is one way of doing it. The second way is to use the Google Short URL system. Tick this radio box and it changes the URL into a short URL. Copy that, go back to LBL Robot and add that as the Google Maps listing. The shorter, the better we are finding in the maps listings. If I go back into there, I can actually change that and use that as the Google Maps listing for this particular business. I'll just click on Save Changes, and I've now got all those data saved into our system. For one of the US directories, I've just done a search for, this is one of our test accounts, Baltimore Plumber Services, fictitious address, so it doesn't exist. And this is a kudzu listing. Now again, we are finding people are still not putting the correct URL of the other directories into our system. If you don't put the correct URL, our script cannot find the correct page to post your review to, so therefore it will not be posted. Again, a lot of people are actually searching for their business on, let's say for example, kudzu, and copying the search results rather than clicking through to the page where it's actually listed and where you can see the rate and review link or button. Again, if you don't put the correct link in, it will not get posted. So please follow these instructions to ensure that your reviews are posted correctly to your clients' business listings. Thank you.